Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs. Teaching your AI new tricks. Personalizing your chatbot. Imagine a parrot that's read every book ever written. That's kind of what a large language model, LLM, is. It's a computer program trained on massive amounts of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text. We'll focus on how developers can interact with these powerful parrots. Think of a pre-trained LLM as a parrot that already knows a lot. It can answer questions, write stories, and translate languages, all without further specific training. But it might not know your specific jargon or preferences. Fine-tuning is like giving your smart parrot specialized training. Instead of teaching it everything from scratch, you give it extra lessons on a specific topic, like your company's product or your unique writing style. This makes it much better at tasks related to that specific area. To fine-tune an LLM, you need data. This is the textbook for your parrot. This could be documents about your product, customer service transcripts, or even your own writings. The better and more relevant the data, the better the parrot will perform. We use special tools and APIs. Application programming interfaces. Think of them as instructions for communicating with the LLM. To feed the new data to the pre-trained model, the LLM then adjusts its internal knowledge based on this new information. This involves some technical steps, but we'll cover the basics. Let's say you want a chatbot for your tech support. Fine-tuning lets you teach it the specifics of your products and common customer issues. This creates a chatbot that's much more accurate and helpful than a generic one. Several platforms and APIs, like Hugging Face and OpenAI, offer user-friendly tools to fine-tune LLMs. We'll show you where to find them and get started. Fine-tuning isn't just for chatbots. You can personalize LLMs for writing different kinds of content, marketing copy, code, etc., translation, and much more. The possibilities are vast. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.